Namaste friends, wish you happy Gudi Padwa, Ugadi. Myself Dr. Deepa. Today is like a new year for all of us. So let's begin with the small goals, small lifestyle changes. On the occasion of Gudi Padwa, make some resolution for yourself. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज गुड़ी पाड़वा है, उगादी है। आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन। और आज हम छोटे छोटे चेंजेस, छोटा छोटा परिवर्तन हमारे जीवन में लाएंगे। सर्व माझ्या मैत्रिणींना मित्रांना नमस्कार, गुढीपाडव्याच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। आणि आज आपण छोटा छोटा बदल आपल्या आयुष्यात आणायला हवा, हे एक रिझोल्यूशन आपण आज घ्यायला पाहिजे। First, make a small lifestyle changes. Find a fun exercise routine. It will not only maintain muscle mass and keep you fit and healthy, it will also aid in reducing your stress levels. Walking instead of taking a ride for a short distance or climbing instead of taking the lift can go a long way towards reaching your health goals. Adopt a beginner's mindset. Spend some time with the younger people. They have lots to learn from you and lots to teach you as well. Be open minded and receptive of new ideas. Let go for I already know it all attitude and open up to positive approach. This will free your mind from judgment, prejudice, bias and fixed ideas. Dress up, take care of how you look. That will really enhance you to the next level. Pamper yourself, you are worth it. How you dress plays a significant role in making you feel good and behave confidently. It makes an attitudinal difference in your relationship with others. Adopt a well balanced diet. To maintain a healthy weight and to lower the risk of chronic health conditions, it is important to stay energized. To get the necessary needed nutrients, eating a balanced meal is of utmost importance. Of course, a little bit of cheating on some special days is allowed. It is the festive season after all. If you keep a check on your intake on regular days, you must reward yourself with your favorite meal on special occasion. Volunteer or join a support group. Any support group you can volunteer. Volunteer teach you skills to others. Give cooking tips, gardening tips, management tips, or whatever your area of expertise is. Share your vast knowledge and experience to work with deserving underprivileged youth who would benefit immensely from your advice and guidance. These facts of giving are bound to bring you fulfillment and sense of overall well-being. Discover new destinations. Go to the trips. Now due to lockdown you can travel is not allowed, so staying home is the better thing. Maintain your timing on the social media. How much time you have to maintain, how much you have to go. In today's times of media overload, we get bombarded by negative information continuously. Use social media for just positive connections. Reconnect with old friends. Be open to making new ones. अपने जो दोस्त हैं, पुराने दोस्त हैं, उनसे मिलिए, बातें कीजिए, फ़ोन पे बातें कीजिए, उनका क्या हाल है, कैसे है, वो सब आप जानिए. Worrying won't help. Try and drop the habit. Join a meditation class that can help you de-stress. Our minds are overshadowed by concerns beyond reality. Having spare time aggravates the situation because we spend time overthinking situations that never happen. Meditation brings our mind back to clarity and relieves the mind of unwanted thoughts that serve no purpose other than to make life seem confusing, stressful, or miserable. Very important factor I am going to tell: forgive and practice gratitude. Nowadays, many statements are coming like people are dying and they deserve to die. No, these statements are coming out of lack of compassion. They don't have compassion. Today, the time demands lot of compassion, lot of forgiveness, accepting the people the way they are. That is the main important. Resolve and forgive yourself for all the things that may make you feel guilty, and forgive others who may have knowingly or knowingly wronged you. Be grateful for all the things that worked out in your favor and bask in positive events that have made you the individual you are today. लाफ मोर, ज़्यादा हंसा कीजिए, थोड़ा हंसत जावं माणसाने. स्माइल, स्माइल विल ब्रिंग यू लाइक अ फ्लावर, लाइक अ ब्लॉसमिंग लाइक अ फ्लावर. लाफ मोर, इट वर्क्स युअर ॲप्स. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कोई एक्सरसाइज आप ना करें, कोई एखादा व्यायाम आप ना करे, काही एखादा तुम्ही व्यायाम नाही केला तरी चालेल, पण तुम्ही हसायला पाहिजे. You should keep smiling always. Now, if that isn't reason enough, then here are few more reasons to laugh. Laughter relieves pain, combats depression, increase resilience, and reduce stress. The list is endless. It is often said that the healthiest response to life is laughter. Spend time with people who have a fun, watch a funny show, listen to your favorite comedian, or read a funny book. Aim to make humor a priority and an integral part of your life. Lastly, do remember that if you fall off track at any point on your New Year resolution goals, just get back on a quick. For your resolution to become reality, it will take time. Change is difficult. There is always room for mistakes and setbacks as long as you are willing to stay back on track. While the viral quote, Apna time aayega, from the movie Gully Boys is apt for some, we should firmly hold on the belief that अपना टाइम था, है और हमेशा रहेगा. So this New Year resolution, be a positive, अपना टाइम था, है और हमेशा रहेगा. Adopt happy habits to make happier you are and make this Gudi Padwa, this Ugadi best year. Follow the social distancing, wear the mask and hand sanitizer, sanitize your hand, don't fear, just take care. So friends, once again wish you happy Ugadi, happy Gudi Padwa. Be always laughing, be forgive to the people, be with compassion, accept the people where they are. So this is also one of the secret of the life. Bye, take care.